This conference will now be recorded.
Hey, thanks for checking out Oracle YouTube channel. So as you know that I have started yesterday quick upgrade knowledge related to Oracle database 19C. So today I'm presenting second session in that series. So let's begin with this. I hope my screen is visible. So today we will discuss about the environment variable actually. So as we know that the environment variable is a user defined value that can affect the way running process will behave on a computer. An environment variable as a part of the environment in which a process is running. Okay, so to display the current value of environment variable, we use the environment command to display the value of Oracle base, Oracle home, Oracle SID, because these three things is very important, because sometimes the mismatch of Oracle SID and Oracle home in the current session basically gives an error. So we need to check this Oracle SID and Oracle home of the background process and compare them with the ones in the current session to find the mismatch actually. Okay, so we had this command. So let's connect with my putty session. So let me share the screen of my putty session. So here we, so in that actually, as I said, we use environment command or env command. So for that basically we just copy this command and press here. So Oracle base, so you can see that Oracle base is there. Then we check Oracle home, so Oracle home is there. Then we check Oracle SID. So we need to check by this. And if you want to display the value of all environment variable, so we can run the environment command with more actually. Okay, so let me more. So you will get like this. Okay, so whatever the environment variable we have, we get like this, and press again more and see that db home is there, base path is there, and then Oracle hostname, Oracle base path. So you press the enter button and more will be giving. And after that, you at the end you are getting this. So this is the way you can check the environment variable, and to display the user of home actually. So that is echo or home. So by this way we can check. And now there are the cases where, as I said, environment variable did not have all the value variables set correctly. So the most important thing is that Oracle home path, basically with the final forward slash rather than without slash, and TNS underscore admin parameter to the wrong SQLnet configuration files, and LD library path for Linux that has incorrect value, and then Oracle underscore unique name. So for that, basically, Oracle say that determine the PDI of the process at OS level. So first, you can check any of the process like ps-ef greph small. So in that you have these things, and you had two options. Either you can go cat proc and then process id then environ keyword, or you can set strings. You can use strings and proc and then the process id and then environment variable. So in that my process id is 2055. So let's show you the command for that. So you will get like this. So strings proc 2055 environment. So see that you are getting the values of like this. So this is the way you can get the information. Or in cat proc, actually you will not get a more clear picture. I'm showing that also, so you will get like this. Okay, so that is not correct things. So we better to go to strings we can use. Okay, so uh, thanks from my side. So if you want to learn Oracle database related things, so you need to subscribe today to join our community and help over to Oracle right to see more our premium content. Thanks again for being here and happy learning.